Hey there, gadget lovers! Welcome back to You Smile Tech, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in tech and gadgets. Today, we've got an amazing lineup of innovative products that are sure to enhance your lifestyle. From secure authentication keys to advanced cameras and smart home devices, we've got something for everyone. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Fujifilm X-T50 digital camera. First up, we have the Fujifilm X-T50 digital camera. Capture stunning moments with the Fujifilm X-T50 digital camera. This camera combines the iconic aesthetics of classic film cameras with cutting-edge technology. The X-T50 sports a rounded body and classic top plate dials, including a film simulation dial with 20 options. It features a 2.36 million dot EVF and a high-resolution X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor for vibrant, clear images, even in challenging lighting conditions. With its tilting LCD and extended thumb grip, the X-T50 offers enhanced ease of use and comfort, enabling photographers to capture images from various angles. The deep learning AI autofocus system adeptly tracks a broad range of subjects. Benefit from up to 7.0 stops of in-body image stabilization to shoot smooth, sharp images in virtually any scenario. Rediscover the joy of photography with the Fujifilm X-T50, where every shot is a piece of history. Cambridge Audio Melomania M100 TWS headphones. Experience high-quality sound with the Cambridge Audio Melomania M100 TWS headphones. They deliver immersive audio and versatile features. Equipped with two generous 10mm drivers and magnets made from recycled neodymium, the Melomania M100 headphones deliver a powerful yet controlled sound signature. With Class AB amplification, you get high quality and authentic sound reproduction that stays true to the original recording. Tailor your listening experience with the Melomania Connect app, which offers a 7-band graphic equalizer for building custom EQ profiles. Stay focused with adaptive hybrid ANC technology and easily shift your attention to your surroundings with transparency mode. Enjoy up to 10 hours of continuous playback on a single charge, even with ANC activated. Elevate music and calls with the Melomania M100. Excope DT. One super telephoto camera. Take your photography experience to new heights with the Excope DT1 super telephoto camera. This camera offers a super lightweight design and 200x magnification for capturing every detail. With a focal length of 400 mm and digital processing, this camera magnifies distant subjects 200 times, bringing them closer to your phone screen. The camera enables up to 48 megapixel resolution for easy zoom-ins and better framing. The DSP image algorithm enables intelligent low-light processing and subtle defect repairs for crisp quality images. With 40mm and 400mm focal length options, you can easily use this camera in a variety of settings. The free mobile app allows you to switch between scene modes for simpler photography and adjust parameters for easier editing, perfect for outdoor adventurers and photography enthusiasts. Formlabs. Form 4 Fast 3 and D0. Printer. Print your projects faster with the Formlabs Form 4. This fast 3D printer offers speed, reliability, and quality. Using masked stereolithography (MSLA) technology, the Form 4 is up to 5 times faster than its predecessor, with most prints completed in under 2 hours. The Advanced Light Processing Unit 4 (LPU4) ensures rapid, precise printing. With industry-leading print success rates, precision heating, force sensing, and debris detection mechanisms, the Form 4 delivers unmatched reliability. Enjoy stunning print quality with 50-micron pixels, highly collimated light, advanced pixel smoothing, and light touch supports. The printer is easy to use with automatic resin handling, instant material changes, and a quick-release build platform. Experience the future of 3D printing with the Formlabs Form 4. Fellow Aiden Precision Coffee Maker. Change your perception of drip coffee with the Fellow Aiden Precision Coffee Maker. It brings pour-over quality coffee to your countertop. Whether brewing a single serving or a 10-cup batch, Aiden ensures that your coffee tastes exactly as the roaster intended. Adjust settings, create custom brew profiles, and schedule brews in advance, all from your smartphone. If you're in a hurry, the Instant Brew mode bypasses guidance and brews with just a single touch of a button. Built-in brewing guidance helps you choose from presets like light, medium, or dark roasts, cold brew, and more. Personal Aircon by Silent Cicada. If you're someone who gets hot easily, check out the Personal Aircon by Silent Cicada. This wearable cooler is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, gym lovers, and even students needing to stay cool and focused. Unlike bulky cooling devices, the Personal Aircon fits comfortably around your wrist like a watch. It provides real-time muscle cooling, enhancing your performance during workouts and helping with muscle recovery. It's safe, effective, and backed by scientific principles. Stay cool and comfortable with this innovative wearable cooler. Insta360 Ace Pro and Ace AI-powered action cameras. Meet the Insta360 Ace Pro and Ace AI-powered action cameras. These cameras pack innovative shooting features to make capturing your epic moments easier. The Ace Pro features a 1/1.3 sensor, Leica Samaritt lens, and 5 nanometers AI chip for stunning 4K 120 FPS video and 48 MP photos. The Ace boasts a 1.2 48 MP sensor for solid performance. Both cameras offer smart features like gesture control and voice commands. The AI Highlights Assistant makes shooting and editing a breeze. The Ace Pro's premium sensor ensures amazing shots in fast action or tricky lighting. With a 2.4 flip touchscreen, framing shots is easy, making it ideal for vlogging, selfies, or capturing hard-to-reach angles. These cameras can handle deep sea dives and cold weather during winter sports, capturing your wildest adventures beautifully. Axiom Holographics. If you want holographics, we've got them! Axiom Holographics takes holograms to the next level with entire hologram rooms, perfect for presentations, gaming, and more. Imagine a hologram table that lets you display 3D images interactively, or a hologram tunnel where animals jump off the walls. From hologram walls that enhance projections to stage holograms bringing virtual performers to life, Axiom Holographics is powered by the Unity engine, making it easy to map real-world objects into stunning 3D displays. Transform your space and captivate your audience with the cutting-edge technology of Axiom Holographics. Whether you're a business looking to impress clients or a gamer seeking immersive experiences, these holograms will leave a lasting impact. LG UltraFine Ergo monitor. Looking for the ultimate in comfort and productivity? Look no further than the LG UltraFine Ergo monitor. With its stunning 32 UltraFine UHD IPS display, versatile viewing angles, and innovative LG Ergo stand, this monitor is a game changer for your workspace. Whether you're crunching numbers, editing videos, or simply browsing the web, the LG UltraFine Ergo monitor delivers stunning visuals from virtually any perspective. Plus, with vibrant color accuracy and convenient connectivity options like USB Type-C with 60W power delivery, you can enjoy true-to-life colors and fast charging for your compatible devices. Ideal for both business and personal use, the LG UltraFine Ergo monitor increases productivity and comfort, allowing you to work smarter, not harder. Yubico YubiKey 5 Series next. Let's talk security with the Yubico YubiKey 5 Series. This series of multi-protocol security keys is your ultimate defense against account takeovers. The series includes the 5C NFC, 5 NFC, 5C, 5 Nano, 5C Nano, and 5CI. These keys deliver robust protection with an easy-to-use experience, compatible with NFC-enabled Android, Windows 10, and iOS devices, as well as any USB-C port. Built to last, each key boasts a high-quality design. Plus, their compact size means you can easily attach one to your keychain, ensuring you have it whenever you need it. Secure your login information for hundreds of services with this proven method for two-factor authentication. Peace of mind is just a YubiKey away. That's all for today's episode of You Smile Tech. We hope you enjoyed exploring these fantastic gadgets as much as we did. If you found something you love, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay tech savvy.